Hey there, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to open the or on or off the captions on any video that is available on YouTube. For that, all you have to do first, click on any particular video, make sure that video is playing, and in here when your video is being played you see an option called CC. To some videos this option is not available, but to a lot of videos this option is available. Click on it, and that way you can see that English auto generated means this video has been spoken in English, and you can see when I speak that, all right, let me give it a, when I speak you can see that my captions are appearing down here. So if I want to change the subtitles, I can change it, but only subtitles that is available here are English. I mean, I can change it anywhere if I want, and I'll leave it as English. And if I want to off, I don't want to see these subtitles, I'm going to click this option again, and that way there is no subtitles, there is no captions. I hope this video helped you, because some videos we don't understand the language of the person who is speaking. Sometimes we're not the Americans or English person who don't understand English person, or is very slow in understanding English language, or is a person who doesn't understand the accent of the other person. So that way this captions or subtitles help us to create or understand that topic. If you think this video helped you, please make sure to leave us a comment and hit your thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and we will come up with another video. Keep visiting Tides Schooling.